Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a sheet metal part or a sheet metal bracket in Autodesk Inventor software, and then we will construct its flat pattern. So let's get started. Go to new, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the top plane, this will be the exit plane, rotate the view. Now here go to the 2-point rectangle, from this center point make a rectangle profile, go to dimension. Here give this height as 100 mm and this width will be 45 mm. Okay, now finish sketch, double click. Okay, now go to face command and apply for base of the sheet. So this will start from the base. Now go to sheet metal defaults. Here the by default thickness is 0.5 mm. Uncheck this and here give a thickness of 5 mm and apply. Okay, exit. Now go to flange command, select this bottom edge and here we will take a distance of 115 mm. So this will be the flange height and apply. Okay, exit. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here we will take the 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle joining with the edges. Now go to dimension, give this rectangle a distance from top will be 25 mm and for this width from this base this will be 190 mm. Escape. Now you can see there is a movement in this edge. So go to coincident, select this point and select this point. Okay, escape. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Now go to sheet metal again, take the face command. So it will construct a new face over here with the dimension or a thickness same as the previous one, 5 mm, and press apply. So here exit. So here it will join into a one profile only. Okay, corner round, take here a corner round of 20, go to edge selection, select this edge and select this edge, apply, exit. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Now here take a circle command, rotate the cursor over here so you can see the center point over here, and here we will take a dia of 20 mm. Escape. Now go to sheet metal, take cut command, so it will cut up to thickness of the sheet, a depth of 5 mm, and press OK. Okay, so first we are making this half portion. We have completed till here. Okay, now we will make this flange profile. So for this flange profile, go to flange again. Now select this line. So this line will be, it will not select the radius. Okay, so this will be a flat surface. Now here we want a flange height as 65 mm or flange length you can say. Now here go to more settings. From here we will select offset. So it will ask you offset 1 and offset 2. So if we will do offset 1 as 0, so this point will be the offset 1 location, and here rotate it. So this will be offset 2. Here offset 2 is given 5. If you do it 0, so this will be offset 2. Okay. Now here we have flange profile with reference to this edge. So here we will take offset 1 as 0 and offset 2. We will take an offset 2 distance as 108 mm. Okay. Now only a flange will be created over here, and the length of flange, this distance will be 65 mm. Okay, and apply. Now exit. Now go to flange command once again. Now this is a normal setting. Now here take a flange length of 20 mm and select, go to edge selection and select this top edge. Okay, so this will be a flange angle at 90 degree and apply. Exit. Now we'll construct this cut profile or a slot profile. Go to part 2, select this face, go to create sketch. Now from here we will take a 3-point arc. Okay, so 3-point arc slot and press here and here. Okay, make a slot profile. Now escape. Now go to dimension. From top, this will be at a distance of 45 mm and the center to center will be also 45 mm. Okay, vertical constraint here. Select this center point. The green point will be the center point of this line. Select this and select this center. Okay, similarly select this center and this center. Now these all 3 points are vertically aligned with each other. Okay, now go to dimension once again. Give this radius a dimension of 40 mm. Find the curve, so this we will give as 10 mm. Okay, now go to sheet metal, take cut command. So we'll cut this profile up to thickness and press OK. Okay, now this half profile is being constructed. To make a complete profile, go to mirror and here we will select mirror body or mirror solid. Rotate the view, rotate it once again. Now here it will ask mirror plane or face, you can select. So we will select this face to mirror the profile. So you can see here a mirror profile and press OK. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now the last command which is left, so this cut is left here and these whole profiles are left. Okay, so for this cut or chamfer, rotate the view. From here we will select corner chamfer and the distance of chamfer here will 35 mm. So it will be a one distance chamfer. Okay, go to corner selection, select this corner and select this corner, apply and exit. Okay, now for whole profiles, select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Now take a circle command, make a circle over here and one here. Similarly one circle here and one circle here. Go to dimension. The center to center distance here will be of 140 mm and the distance from midpoint, this will be 70. Okay, so this also will be 70. Now this circle will be at a distance of 25 mm. This corner edge also 25 mm. Okay, and escape. Now go to dimension. Here define this circle dia as 20 mm. Okay, and escape. Now take a vertical constraint, select this point and okay, here we will take horizontal constraint. Select this point and select this point. Similarly select this and select this. It is also horizontally aligned. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point, select this point and this point. This also again select. Okay, now escape. Go to equal constraint. Now select this circle and we want all the circles to be equal to this. So press Ctrl and press all the circles. Okay, and select this. So all the circles will be having a same diameter of 20 mm. You can check it from here. Go to dimensions. You can see this is 20 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Take 3D model. Go to extrude. Select all the profiles. Rotate the profile and we'll select all. Okay. So it will select cut and press OK. Go to home. Rotate the view. So this will be the profile. Now from here you can define it as horned. I have taken the appearance as horned. Okay. Now if you want to make a flat pattern of this, go to sheet metal. From here click on create flat pattern. So it will generate a flat pattern of this profile. Okay. Now go back to folded part. So this was a basic tutorial to construct a sheet metal bracket in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.